Good day, football fans. Fellow Dlamini here with the latest football update. According to Soccer Beat, Chicago Fire first approached Orlando Pirates for the services of Ozwina as to form part of their striking force, but Orlando Pirates said no to the deal because they just got Ozwina in the previous window from Polokwane City, so they couldn't sell one of their best performing players currently this season, having lost Umbogazi to the same Chicago Fire. Then Chicago Fire went on to knock to TS Galaxy to say, we want your best performing player, which is Puso Ditejan, who has been on the news, on the radar of Mamelodi Sundowns, Kaiser Chiefs, maybe an Orlando Pirates. Then Utim Sukazi said, yes, I agree. Puso Ditejan deserved this. I believe the price was good because the Soccer Beat reveals that Puso Ditejan is on his way to link up with ETLB Mbekezeli Mbokazi in the MLS to go and represent South Africa at Chicago Fire. Hopefully, Puso Ditejan does well in the MLS together with Umbokazi and possibly move to Europe. So I'm happy for Puso Ditejan. This is a good move for him. He was wanted in South Africa and he was wanted in the United States, but he chose the United States, a new challenge, a new environment, beautiful city. You've seen on TV that Chicago is a beautiful city, and hopefully he will make his mark for Chicago Fire. But for Orlando Pirates, as for Ozwina, I understand their situation because they can't just sell Ozwina after they just got him now in the previous window from Polokwane City. So I think Orlando Pirates there for Ozwina they were right, I don't know, but for Chicago Fire, they have gained a player in Puso Ditejan. Puso Ditejan has everything that you need from a player. He can play as an 8. I think he plays on the wings, right back, a winger. So they've gained a player together with Mbekezeli Mbokazi. This move is good for South African football because it shows that the MLS sees us. The teams from abroad sees our players, and more of our players are going to be exposed to international experience. And that's good for us. Yes, we may not view the MLS as the desired destination, but it's good to see our South African players growing because remember, Bafethu, these guys have families to feed. Now, it's life-changing for a young player as Puso Ditejan to move to the MLS. Yes, even the Ozwina one would have made sense because he's performing for Bafana for Orlando Pirates, but Orlando Pirates said, no, we can't let our best performing player and our prize position to leave after he had just joined us just now, after we have been wanting him from Polokwane City. So those are the latest regarding Puso Ditejan, Ozwina Mbekezeli Mbokazi. Follow me on TikTok, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and let us grow together. Thank you.